Working Group, Pioneers of Innovation in Construction Equipment. Introduction. Working Group, a German company established in 1961, has grown to become one of the leading manufacturers of construction equipment worldwide. Known for their cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions, Working Group's products are integral to various construction and mining projects. This comprehensive article delves into the history, product range, technological advancements, sustainability efforts, and global expansion of the Working Group. Historical background and growth. Early years and local expansion. Working Group was founded by Reinhard Wirtgen in Windhagen, Germany. Initially, the company specialized in small-scale repairs and the manufacture of road milling machines. Over time, Wirtgen's commitment to quality and innovation propelled its growth within Germany, establishing a reputation for excellence in the local market. International expansion. The 1970s and 1980s marked Working Group's foray into international markets. The company began establishing offices and manufacturing plants across Europe, Asia, and the Americas. This expansion was crucial in cementing Wirtgen's status as a global player in the construction equipment industry. A significant milestone was the acquisition of Ham AG in 1997, a German company renowned for its compaction equipment, further diversifying Wirtgen's product portfolio. Product range and services. Milling machines. Wirtgen's milling machines are a cornerstone of their product lineup. These machines are essential for road rehabilitation and recycling asphalt, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution. Advanced electronic control systems enable operators to precisely adjust settings, ensuring optimal performance and high-quality results. Paving equipment. The company's paving equipment is used for constructing highways, airports, and other infrastructure projects. Wirtgen's pavers are known for their precision and efficiency, providing smooth and uniform asphalt or concrete surfaces. These machines incorporate innovative features such as automated leveling systems and advanced material handling capabilities. Mining equipment. Working Group also offers a range of mining equipment, including surface miners and materials handling systems. These machines improve the efficiency of mining operations by reducing the need for drilling and blasting, minimizing environmental impact, and enhancing worker safety. Compaction and soil stabilization. Through the acquisition of Ham AG, Wirtgen expanded its offerings to include compaction and soil stabilization equipment. These machines ensure stable and durable surfaces, which are crucial for the longevity of roadways and other construction projects. Support and maintenance services. Working Group provides comprehensive support and maintenance services, including training, spare parts, and technical assistance. This support ensures that their machines operate at peak efficiency, minimizing downtime and extending their operational lifespan. Technological innovations. Research and development investments. Working Group invests heavily in research and development to stay at the forefront of technological advancements in the construction industry. Their R&D teams focus on developing new technologies and improving existing products to meet the evolving needs of the market. Electronic control systems. One of WIRTGEN's notable innovations is the integration of electronic control systems in their machines. These systems allow for precise control over machine operations, enhancing performance and ensuring consistent quality. Operators can easily adjust settings and monitor machine performance, leading to increased productivity and reduced operational costs. Sustainable technologies. In response to growing environmental concerns, WIRTGEN Group has developed sustainable technologies that reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Their machines are designed to recycle materials on-site, reducing the need for new raw materials and minimizing waste. This commitment to sustainability is evident in their range of cold recycling machines, which reuse existing road materials to create new surfaces. Commitment to sustainability. Environmental initiatives. WIRTGEN Group is dedicated to reducing its environmental footprint through various initiatives. Their equipment is designed to be fuel efficient and produce lower emissions, contributing to cleaner construction practices. Additionally, the company's recycling technologies help conserve natural resources by reusing existing materials. Community engagement. WIRTGEN Group is actively involved in community initiatives and charitable programs. They support technical education and vocational training, helping to develop the next generation of skilled workers in the construction industry. By investing in education, WIRTGEN Group contributes to the economic development of local communities. Strategic acquisitions and global reach. Acquisition of HAM AG. The acquisition of HAM AG in 1997 was a strategic move that strengthened WIRTGEN Group's position in the construction equipment market. Acquisition by John Deere. In 2017, WIRTGEN Group was acquired by the American company John Deere. This acquisition provided WIRTGEN with access to John Deere's extensive global network and resources, further enhancing their ability to innovate and expand. Despite the acquisition, WIRTGEN Group has maintained its German identity and continues to operate its research and manufacturing facilities in Germany. Global success and market leadership. Worldwide presence. WIRTGEN Group has established a robust global presence, with a distribution network spanning over 150 countries. Their international reach ensures that customers around the world have access to WIRTGEN's high-quality equipment and support services. This extensive network is supported by a team of dedicated professionals who provide technical assistance and training to ensure optimal machine performance. Awards and recognitions. The company's commitment to quality and innovation has been recognized through numerous awards and accolades. WIRTGEN Group is widely respected in the construction industry for its contributions to advancing construction technologies and improving the efficiency of construction projects. Conclusion. WIRTGEN Group exemplifies how a company can achieve remarkable growth and success through a steadfast commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability. From its humble beginnings in Germany, WIRTGEN has evolved into a global leader in the construction equipment industry. By continuously investing in research and development, expanding its product range, and maintaining a strong focus on sustainability, WIRTGEN Group is well positioned to continue its legacy of excellence and make significant contributions to the future of construction and infrastructure development worldwide.